Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find who viewed your TikTok profile. You're going to be asking, is this possible? Yeah, it's very possible. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys, so make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, there is a few steps that you have to take for you to find out who is viewing your TikTok profile. So guys, the first step you have to take is to go to your Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you go to your App Store. Let me go to my Play Store. Then what you have to do is to search for TikTok. When you search for TikTok, what I want you to check out is check if your TikTok app is updated. If your TikTok app is not updated, that means you might not be able to see the future where you'll be able to see those or look out for those who view your TikTok profile. So make sure that your TikTok app is updated. Make sure you're using the updated version of TikTok. So guys, as you can see now, my TikTok app is already updated. What I will do now is to tap on open. Okay guys, sorry for that, I had to reduce the volume. Okay guys, the next step that you need to take now is to tap on your TikTok profile. You can see it below at your right hand. You can see the tap on it. So guys, you can see the icon at the top there, at the top hand, just next to the three horizontal bar. You can see it. When you tap on that icon, you'll be able to know those who viewed your TikTok profile. Let me tap on it. So guys, it's loading. Okay guys, as you can see now, it's just one person that has viewed my TikTok profile, and the person's name is Ogo. You can see it there, and the person just followed me, so I can actually follow back the person. Let's read what is written here. People who viewed your profile in the last 30 days will appear here. Only you can see this. That means people that go over to your profile, they won't be able to see this foot icon to tap on it. So you're the only one seeing this. So when you tap on this, you're going to see those who have viewed your TikTok profile. So guys, if you don't have this foot icon, that means there are some stuff that you've not toggled on. So guys, let me show you how to toggle on your profile view setting. So what you have to do now is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner. Then you tap on it. When you tap on it, you tap on settings and privacy. You tap on it. And what you have to tap within these settings and privacy, the option you have to tap on is privacy. Let's tap on it. Then you scroll downwards. You can see here the second to the last option, which is profile view. For you to be able to see those who viewed your TikTok profile, this profile view option must be toggled on. You can see here mine is toggled on. Let's read what is written here. See who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and allow others to see that you viewed theirs. You will be notified of profile views if the notification is turned on. Only you can see who viewed your profile. You can turn this off anytime. So guys, if this profile view history is toggled off, you have to make sure you toggle it on. If you toggle it on, then you go back to your profile, you will be able to find this foot icon. When you tap on it, you're able to see those who have viewed your profile. You'll be able to find those who have viewed your TikTok profile. So guys, that is that. So guys, in case you've gone all through this process and you still can't find this foot icon, this profile view, you can't find this profile view that we got here. Let me show you guys again. You can't find this profile view over here. That means you have to take this step that I'm about to tell you. You have to take it serious. It's a problem, so you need to report this problem to TikTok. So let me show you guys how you can report this problem to TikTok. You have to go back, tap on the three horizontal bar again. You tap on settings and privacy. Then you go up, scroll upwards. Then you tap on report a problem. You tap on it. Let's wait for it. It's loading up. I want to report to TikTok that we can't find the profile view option, which will enable us to see those who have viewed our TikTok profile. So what you have to do is to tap on account and profile. Tap on it. It's loading up. Then once it opens up, what you have to tap on is profile page. Let's tap on it. Then you scroll upwards. Then you tap on others. You can see it's loading up. So guys, if you go through this stuff, you see that this written stuff doesn't solve our problem. So what we have to do is to tap on the need more help. You can see it below. Tap on it. Let it load up. So guys, this is where you have to report the problem of not having the profile view option. So what you have to type here is, I can't find my profile. No, rather you just write I can't see who viewed my TikTok profile. The profile view option is not available on my TikTok account, so I can't toggle it on. Please help. Thanks. So guys, once you're done typing this report, all you have to do is to tap on submit. And also here, let's take notice of this. There is also a place where you can actually upload a photo. That the place where you have the privacy and settings, you can take a screenshot of it and you upload them, telling them that your profile view option is not available. So that is another way also to go about it. But for now, I didn't take any screenshots, so I'm not going to go through that process of uploading a picture. So what you just have to do with this is okay. This is okay with this. They will reply you and your problem will be rectified. So what you have to do now is to tap on submit. Once you tap on submit, you see you can see it's loading. Wow guys, you can see they've already replied you. They say thank you for your feedback, we will contact you if info is needed. You will see that in no long time they will be able to reply you and will be able to fix the problem. Guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you've got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you on our next upload. Bye bye, peace.